welcome to the mix. And on the mix today we have Gracie. Now go check out the video to see what she's saying, because this is something in about, well, Lady V. So go ahead and check it out, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Then write a big paragraph over there like this, and I'm going to fold it down, so I'm going to try read it. I'm going to try read what they say, but I fold it down, so I don't have no only part time for the live, yeah. But they write a full paragraph and I fold it down, so I'm going to try read what they say. You hear? Them say, self-intimidating evidence is the best evidence. Boy, I'm loving it. Please keep it coming. Liars today will be beggars tomorrow. I love it. Yes, please don't donate. Did someone say child molestation? No, someone, Lady V. Gracie said it. Did someone say V. Valine was involved in aiding and abetting child molestation? Yes, me say it. The first man they pick the take are you. Left her in a house with man.
Another turn.
And when you
So
go and
just
dance,
go ahead
go
and watch the
in there with
video
your
and make your
daughter. Me
own
say it.
comments. Draw your
Did
own conclusion,
some
I should say,
fool say
on this.
her
And thank
Valine
you so much
man
for
and the
watching. Have a
same
wonderful
man
day.
she have no or any man that the mother was involved with sweeping her child at a minor as an adult? Did someone say 10-year old or a tender age? Me say 10-year old. My daughter was 10-year old when the man sleep with her. That myself Valine. Let's go, ladies. I'm here for it. To first make an example of them, collect money. Oh, listen, lies don't pay, truth pays. We know you already. You be saying you don't know a bulldog couple months ago, and the truth lick you come back and say you know it today. We know you love to switch your mouth. So all of this I just put on a show. We know you're a big liar. I will go to a church and register charity. Did some loudmouth that just crossed the line, piggy banking, and another liar lies? Did a liar allegation of Valine being in a fight 10 years ago? Me said that. And the father of her daughter being a member of a lodge? Yes. Get tricked. Fake news. No one of fake news, my love. Your, your daughter father is a large man. Keep it coming. Look at multiple lawsuits, all live recorded. Me I wait for your lawsuit, my love. Offering $10,000 for anyone that can with a face, name and evidence prove any of the above. Me can prove it. With these lies hustlers in, I didn't know, but I yes saw it there. To all my critics, please keep the same energy. To my lovely supporter who, who know better, and all the platform holder that keeps that reach out. Thank you. Integrity speak louder. You know, I have no integrity. I don't have time for it now. I work me there, but I come back for it later. So that last day, you know. Remember to say if after today done, I done with Miss Consignment body. I must mad else I can't she. After today done, I gone private all live like I'm do for everybody else. So anything you want record it, you know, consignment body. Cause we stop keep them live up. But just for sure, so I'm not afraid of me keep it up so long. Cause I want you to take down your evidence then that you can't go courthouse. Bring me go court. Cause nothing when me say a lie. Nothing when me say a lie. Nothing when me say a lie. Miss X-pole dancer, nothing when me say a lie. When you left your yard and go dance pan pole, you left your daughter there and she take the man. 10-year-old your mother, your daughter, it was. And the man Saga your daughter. And me say liar one where you there with now him go roll go breathe the girl what you have to dash away. You know me have to put all that in my statement too. Me I give you more for putting in your speech, man. Come Miss Osa Miss Osa Speaker, Miss Osa Parliament. You have finish your statement yet. You have a lot more for scripts in it. Me said what year yeah, the man where you there with him breed girl a road. Tender age girl and him pay mama for that shoe. He hush the mama I'm have money and the mama dash her belly. I that me say. Cause so you had him come a New York you know. Come here idiot say all I no come a New York you know. Make sure when him a come in him have a practicing law law paper to work in the New York yeah. Make sure when him a come him have everything to practice law over here. Yes. Yes. Me not put knowledge to her name because she not nobody. Me not put knowledge to her name. Nation as a work me there. I'll come back later. You can sue all of them that share the picture. As she put out the picture, not that the one that over there put it out. Him never have no picture. I dare me, I did have it and send it go give she. I dare me, I did have it and send it go give she and she said it go give Shanti. I done we done talk. Done me done talk. We not buy no lie. We know the truth. If she said it go give Shanti, I done me done. Nation and sooner or later. Cause if I come back later me talk again tonight, I done me done you know. Me nah look back for them the whole consignment, money clean body there you know. Me nah look for no layer way money clean. Me nah look for married to put out a finger and man nah put it on for no finger. Cause you know people block it in the man finger. Ring for him finger. No, look for the consignment. No, layer way body can argue with you. I can't move on. Come back later, bye.